Oh yeah, I got your message. Daddy, you're writing my video. Thank you. It's a midget.
From you.
Guys, it's a midget. Oh my god, it's a midget. Behind the fireman. It's a midget. It's a midget. It's a midget. Yes, it is. It is a midget.
No, it isn't. It's not a midget, you're wearing.
It has a beard. It's Santa Claus midget. It's Santa's midget.
Hunter, stop.
Oh, guys.
No, he's just short. You never know. He kind of made the height from being a midget.
He's an elf.
Yeah.
What? What?
That's exactly what it is.
Susan. You come close, he's like 6'6". 6'7".
He might be a midget.
Well, you never know. He might have made it past the height.
Yeah.
4'11".
I think it's like 4.
It's an elder midget.
4'10", 5 or something.
Guys, it's an elder midget.
Yeah, that's how it works.
Ew.
You think you gotta be like a 4'10" 4.
Guys,
My mom's like 4'10" 6.
there's a midget.
This would be a midget.
Because they not know, I love midgets.
Thank God I'm not.
I mean, you think mom's short?
I want to be a midget. I want to be a midget.
Hunter has.
She's got the step beside her.
I want to be a midget.
I'm
He got the
tall.
step beside her.
I want to be a midget.
You're not gonna be fat.
What?
Yeah, he's got a donut right here.
I'm skinny.
Why do people have ugly girls? Wherever they come from, like,
I'm
they really...
Yeah, you do it right here. Me too, it's easy. You have long fingers too. I'm doing my middle finger, but I don't have long fingers, but I'm still skinny.
I'm skinny though.
Me too. My
I'm
wrist.
skinnier than you.
Well, no, he said he was in back. So
I'm pretty in it.
Alright, let's go.
You're ugly.
Thank you.
Oh, can you take your socks off when you get inside?
No?
Wow. Yeah, look at the bottom. Stop.
Ew, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Nice.
That was fun. That was interesting.
Did you send me the picture?
Yes,
Yeah.
it's like,
That was interesting.
It was. Until all you hear is ow, ow. Yeah, his bike's not here. Either someone took the bike. Either someone took the bike, or somehow he got a bike inside his mom's car.
oh my god.
I think that's why.
Where, mommy? Mommy.
Oh,
Two lines.
That was interesting. Then you got something to do.
Mom. Okay.
I rushed down these steps so quickly, I was afraid I was gonna fall.
I found a balloon.